Franciscan Health is in the process of awarding social impact grants to nonprofit organizations across the state of Indiana. News 18's Cameron DeBlasio joins us now to explain how that grant program will work. He shares more about its impact in the greater Lafayette community here. And Cameron, the deadline for those agencies to apply for the funding is quickly approaching.
Yeah, Marley, organizations have until Tuesday to submit an application for that funding. The Social Impact Partnership Program is designed to provide a financial boost to nonprofits who work with some of the most vulnerable populations in the state. Franciscan is allocating close to $500,000 to the program. The healthcare system is focusing on awarding funding to organizations serving at-risk communities. Franciscan looks at multiple factors during the selection process to determine a community's level of need, including food insecurity, mental wellness, and housing support. Now, Homestead CS is a housing counseling agency in Lafayette that works primarily with low to moderate income clients. The agency received a grant through the program's first round of funding last year, and Executive Director Marie Morse says the funding is critical to help finance the programs her agency offers to local residents.
The vast majority of them, probably 90% of them, we do not charge for because families need to save their money to pay for their housing and not to pay for the expertise of a not-for-profit. And so it really helps to have that funding from someone like Franciscan Alliance to help me pay my staff.
Now, Morse says she has already submitted an application this year for another grant from Franciscan, and this year's recipients will be announced in mid-July. Now, Franciscan says last year it was able to provide funding for 62% of the organizations that applied, and administrators say they expect to see similar numbers this year. Reporting in studio this morning, Cameron DeBlasio, News 18.